Okay, Chaitanya is also ready. See how much effort the parents take. Look at the amount of effort. Very nice. I'm very happy. Yes, let's start. मैम आपका माइक भी ऑन रखिएगा, है ना? एंड बेटा, नो वन विल स्पीक इन बिटवीन, ओके? यू विल नॉट स्पीक नाउ. सो आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग दिस. यू विल नॉट स्पीक, ओके? चलिए, ओनली चैतन्य एंड चैतन्या's mama will speak now. Yes.
Hello, I'm Chaitanya's mother. I'm playing the role of Krishna.
I am playing role of Nanda.
Let's start. पिताजी.
हाँ नंदा बोल.
पिताजी देखिए ना, मैया मुझसे बात ही नहीं कर रही. आज तो मैंने इतना सारा कार्य किया, आज इतनी गैया भी चला के आया हूँ और कोई शरारत भी नहीं की, तो भी मैया मुझसे बात नहीं कर रही.
ना तू इतना बोला मत कर, मेरे को सब पता है. तूने कौन में कोई शरारत जरूर की. चल बता क्या करा तूने.
अरे पिताजी, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. बस एक वो माँ की वो मटकी है ना, उसमें थोड़ा सा माखन खाया था और वो जो कजरी है ना, उसकी चोटी खींची थी बस.
तभी तेरी मैया तेरे से परेशान हुई है.
पिताजी, आप मैया को बोलिए ना मुझसे बात करे, क्योंकि मेरे को मैया के बिना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. आप बोलोगे तो वो मुझसे बात करेगी.
ठीक है कान्हा, इस बार मैं तेरी बात मान लेता हूँ, पर तू मेरे को एक वचन दे. तू अगली बार अपनी मैया को परेशान नहीं करेगा.
हाँ पिताजी, अब मैं कभी परेशान नहीं करूँगा.
Wow, very nice, ma'am. Excellent. Very nice. बहुत दिनों बाद इतना अच्छा play देखा. Very nice. And both of you are looking very beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Chaitanya, please switch on the camera again. Let me take a picture of yours and mama. चैतन्य, ज्यादा जोर से तो कान नहीं पकड़े मम्मा के. चैतन्य, नहीं तो तुम एक दिन पकड़ोगे, मम्मा रोज पकड़ेगी, ख्याल रखना. एक्टिंग उतनी करना जितना आपको हार्म नहीं करे. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा, मैम आप दोनों नहीं आ रहे हैं. यस, दैट्स इट. ऐसे ही रखना. चैतन्य, स्माइल बेटा. यू आर लुकिंग वेरी स्मार्ट. स्माइल चैतन्य. वेरी नाइस. Okay, I'm very happy to inform you that Principal Ma'am has also joined us. Chaitanya and Mama, can you please wait? Good morning, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. So how you all are feeling?
I'm fine.
Good. You all are excited?
Yes, ma'am.
I could see Mama with their children.
Yes.
They are looking beautiful.
Chaitanya Lohia, and the mother's name is Mrs. Pooja Lohia. Both of them are very active participant in the school as well. And even ma'am has to our programs, and she is a very good orator. She speaks at public platforms as well. So
Wow.
They have just finished up with the performance, but I would request them again if they can perform it again. Ma'am, can you please perform it again once?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, please start again. Please.
पिताजी.
हाँ लल्ला बोल.
पिताजी देखिए ना, मैया मुझसे बात ही नहीं कर रही. आज तो मैंने कोई शरारत भी नहीं की. इतनी सारी गैया भी चला के लाया हूँ और कुछ भी शरारत नहीं की, तो भी मैया मुझसे बात नहीं कर रही.
ना तू इतना बोला मत कर, मेरे को सब पता है. तूने कोई ना कोई शरारत जरूर की होगी. अब पता सच तूने क्या करा.
नहीं पिताजी, शपथ मैंने कोई भी शरारत नहीं की। बस हाँ, वो माँ की बड़ी वाली मटकी में से थोड़ा सा माखन खाया था, और वो कजरी है ना, उसकी एक बार चोटी खींची थी।
तभी तेरी माँ तेरे से नाराज है।
पिताजी आप मैया को बोलिए ना मुझसे बात करें। मैया मुझसे बात नहीं करती, मेरा मन ही नहीं लगता।
ठीक है खाना, इस बार मैं मैया से बोलूंगा, लेकिन तू मेरे को वचन दे, इस बार तू अपनी मैया को परेशान नहीं करेगा।
नहीं करूंगा पिताजी, मैं कभी मैया को परेशान नहीं करूंगा। थैंक यू।
Wonderful, ma'am. Great. I really appreciate I'm really very happy with the performance, and I really appreciate the initiatives that you have taken. That's really good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Chaitanya and Mama. Thank you so much. Very nice. And you look very cute together. Both of you are dressed in
बहुत अच्छी performance थी, ma'am.
Okay. So who's next now? Is Pragya there or has she left? No. Let me add her again. Pranch, Bhavya Samnani, are you ready, Bhavya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please turn on the camera.
Ma'am, my mother comes from school.
Don't worry, Pranch. We'll wait for Mama. Don't worry about that. We'll wait, okay? We'll have your performance today. Don't worry. Pragya has also joined. Okay, Pragya, next will be you. Okay? After Bhavya, you will be performing. Okay, very nice. Bhavya, you need to turn on the mic also. Your mic is off, Bhavya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I can hear you now. Very nice. Yes, yes, please start. Please start.
Thank you.
Good, very good.
Very nice, Bhavya. I think it was a part of the episode, no, where she had tied, where Yashoda had tied Krishna with the pole, and then Krishna had broken the pole and he had moved on. It's a part of the play. Very nice, Bhavya. Who is that with you? Is she your sister? Bhavya, is she your sister?
Yes, ma'am.
Is she your sister? Who is your partner? Who is there with you?
Neighborhood.
Your neighbor. Oh, wow.
Yes,
You have such good neighbors, Bhavya. Thanks to your neighbor for making this act very entertaining. And both of you looked very beautiful, very smart, very nice. Thank you. What's your name, beta? What is your name?
Vidhi Samdani.
प्रीति समतानी. ओके प्रीति, पता है आपको हमारी प्रिंसिपल मैम भी देख रही है और आप बहुत सुंदर लग रही हो प्रीति.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, what would you like to say?
Ma'am, nothing.
I think ma'am's phone has hung up. Chalo, there is some connectivity issue. Okay, so very nice, Bhavya. I'm very thankful to you. Kitne short notice mein aapne itna share kiya. Ma'am has joined us. Ma'am, how did you like your performance? How was the performance, ma'am?
It was really wonderful, and I could see the confidence level of the students. and it's really a wonderful to see them dressing in such a beautiful way.
All right, thank you, ma'am. And next we have a Soumya team member who is always an active participant in the programs. We have Ankita ma'am and her daughter on the screen, Pragya Agarwal and Mrs. Ankita Agarwal.
Okay, okay. Welcome, Ankita.
Pragya, can you keep the phone at a distance with us so that we can see both of you in one frame? Ma'am, phone ko ye aayi Ankita ma'am. Very nice, Ankita ma'am. You look very nice. Okay, अंकिता मैम फोन को थोड़ा दूर रखिए ताकि आप दोनों दिख पाए. Ma'am, your mic is off. Ankita ma'am, your mic is off. No, ma'am, it's still off. Ankita ma'am, it's still off. I cannot hear you.
Ma'am, can you hear?
Yes, I can hear you
Ma'am,
now.
can
Great.
you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. I am Pragya Agarwal. I am playing role of Prashant.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. I am Ankita Agarwal, Pragya's mother, and I am playing the role of Krishna. Start.
Yashoda. Utana. कहाँ गया गाना? कन्हैया की बाबा ने कन्हैया को कहीं देखा?
मैया, ओ मैया, क्या हुआ मैया?
कहाँ गया था तू?
मैया मैं तो खेलने आया।
मटकी फोड़ के आया होगा।
नहीं मैया नहीं, मैंने किसी की मटकी नहीं फोड़ी मैया।
फोड़ी?
नहीं मैया, मुझे बहुत जोर से भूख लगी है।
देखो माखन खिला देती हूँ।
हो गया। खा लिया।
Pragya, your video has hung up.
मैम नेटवर्क की वजह से मैम पूरा नहीं हो रहा है।
Pragya, your screen is frozen, beta. It has frozen. Pragya, your screen has frozen, beta. It's still. Pransh, is your mama there now? Pransh Kakani, has mama come?
Ma'am, they comes at 4 o'clock.
She will come at 4 o'clock. Okay, so if you can just switch on the camera and show your dress to ma'am once. How have you dressed up? Yes, very nice.
Good, very nice, wonderful. Wow, you are looking very nice.
Acha, Pransh, can we do one thing? Do you have any Krishna song with you on which you can perform? If you want to perform on any song or any dance, if ma'am permits, then you can perform on that as well.
No,
Yes.
Pransh, do you want to perform? Pransh Kakani?
no,
Should I play a song for you? Should I play a song for you?
ma'am, I don't know how to do dance.
You can perform anything. There, we don't have any competition, no? You just have to perform. Let me see if I can. Pragya has joined again. Pragya? Are you Pragya? Yes, Pragya, if you want to continue, we would love to watch your performance. Can you continue, please, Pragya? Or you want to start?
Starting from again.
Yes, Pragya, please, beta.
आपने को कोई देख क्या कहाँ गया मैया ओ मैया मैया मैं तो नहीं नहीं मैया मैं रास्ता में तुम करने गया नहीं मैया मैंने किसी की मटकी नहीं फोड़ी मैया अब मैं तेरे को बात नहीं करूंगी तो मैया मुझे माफ कर दो मैं अब कहीं नहीं जाऊंगा मैया मुझे बहुत जोर से भूख लगी है ठीक है इस बार माफ कर दिया थैंक यू मैया ओके मैया अब मैं कभी मस्ती नहीं करूंगा थैंक यू एवरीवन
Very good. It's really wonderful watching mothers with their children performing such. It's a really wonderful. I have no words to explain.
थैंक यू
Really a wonderful performance. All mothers
And
have
ma'am,
participated
it's
well.
very difficult. It's very
I'm
difficult,
enjoying
ma'am, to manage the school and manage home as well. And Ankita ma'am has been managing both the things in the perfect possible manner. In
Okay.
spite of being a teacher, in spite of cooking at home, doing all the household chores, she could still play such a beautiful performance.
I'm enjoying the performance of mothers, especially.
थैंक यू सो मच थैंक यू
Pransh Kakani, I have a song for you. Pransh Kakani, I have a song for you. Can you dance for a minute? Whatever, I mean, jaisa aapko aata hai, you can perform in that way. It's not, we are not having any competition. All right, it's just a fun activity. The
France, I
song
would
is
love to
Wo
sing.
मैम कैन आई सिंग अ सॉन्ग
Yes, please, beta, take permission from principal ma'am first, and then you can start.
Yes, of course. I would love to hear you.
ओके मैम हम तेरे बिना अब रह नहीं सकते तो तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा
Pransh, do you know any Krishna song? Pransh? He has left. All right. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for your precious time.
Thank you so much. Thanks for this wonderful activity that you have organized. And it's really wonderful watching parents in this activities, participating with their children. जितनी भी मदर्स ने पार्टिसिपेट किया है, आई एम रियली वेरी थैंकफुल टू द मदर्स दोज हु हैव पार्टिसिपेटेड, और उन्होंने टाइम निकाला अपने बिजी स्केड्यूल से इस एक्टिविटी के लिए. And really, and even I would like to appreciate Varushri for organizing this activity. Varushri, keep it up.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
And
Yes.
I'm connectivity से मैम मेरा कॉल है.
Yes,
Ma'am, I
Cinderella.
sing a song.
Is it related to the Janmashtami theme? Is it related to the theme, beta?
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
okay. Varushri, it is okay if he's whatever the song he wants to sing. I think we should let him sing.
Let's
At least he's taking initiatives to do something. So whatever
Okay,
his
ma'am.
favorite song
There's
is, he
another
can
song
sing
who
it.
wants to sing. Once she finishes, then I'll ask Pransh to sing. Cinderella, you sing
Okay.
first, and then Pransh will also sing. Yes, Cinderella, you can start, beta.
Yes, ma'am. मैया यशोदा ये तेरा कन्हैया, पंगत पे मेरे करते है कैया, संग मुझे करता है, संग तेरे लड़ता है. मैं बची राम जी की कृपा से, मैं बची राम जी की कृपा से. थैंक यू.
Very nice.
Very melodious. Good, wonderful.
So, Cinderella, you will sing a song on Independence Day also now?
Ma'am, I say ma'am.
Now we know that you can sing very well. So, you will perform on Independence Day also.
I also ma'am.
Yes, Shakti,
But
please, beta.
I
Yes.
do dance.
Okay, Cinderella. Yes, Pransh, we are waiting for your song, Pransh.
Yes, ma'am. अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरम्, अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरम्, रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम्, रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम्. कौन कहता है भगवान होते नहीं, कौन कहता है भगवान खाते नहीं, माँ यशोदा की जैसे खिलाते नहीं, माँ यशोदा की जैसे खिलाते नहीं. थैंक यू.
Good. I think we should give him a big applause. He sang really
Very nice,
wonderfully.
Pransh.
Very nice.
Very good.
Good. Keep it up. So I think he can also sing on Independence Day.
ओके मैम.
Pransh, ma'am wants you to sing on Independence Day also.
मैम कैन आई सिंग द
And Pransh, without preparation, if Pransh, without preparation, if you can sing so well, then if you practice, you can sing even better than this. It's very nice, beta, that without preparation, you have sung so beautifully. It's very melodious.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm on Independence. Also sing the song.
Yes, beta, all of you can sing on Independence Day. Okay, we love to watch you singing. We love to hear you singing.
First
Okay, Cinderella, beta, we have already exceeded the time limit. It's 1:30. We have exceeded 10 minutes from our class, right? So I hope all of you have enjoyed. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for being here. Have a very nice day, everyone, and thank you to all the mamas. Even at such a short notice, you have put in so much efforts.
Really, it's a great watching mothers here.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Have a very nice day, everyone. Bye bye.
Happy Janmashtami.
Happy Janmashtami, ma'am.
Bye.